Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. I have missed you. Happy New Year, happy holidays. How is everybody doing? I was off for like 2 weeks, not only from work but also from the internet. There has been a lot of shit happening. I don't even know what to say. There has been some negativity on the interwebs, and it was bringing my whole self down. I could not believe it. Every time I wanted to get on and film, there was just some negative shit happening. And I said, no, this is not going to happen, not to me. So, with that being said, I took a little hiatus, and now I'm back, and I'm glad to be back. So I'll be doing my videos, cooking videos, just videos in general, just getting ready. If y'all have questions about me, I'll probably do one of those Q&A things. Anyway, this video is for Embe lashes. They are a monthly subscription plan. They do have eyelashes that they do. There is a 2, 4, 6, I believe. I put it down. 2, 4, 6 different lashes. So for 2 sets of lashes, it's $15 a month. For 4 sets of lashes, it's $25 a month. And for 6 pairs of lashes, it's $35 a month. And of course, if you sign up for 3 months, it's a little cheaper. So I think it's like, what, $14, and I think it's $14, but you prepay $42 for 3 months for the 15. Anyway, let's get started. It does come in this, remember when Ipsy used to come in this bag? So this is the bag they send it in. It is a nice sturdy bag, bubble, and then it comes in this little box. So this is for December. These are December's lashes, and I believe you can customize them now. So that's what it looks like when you open it up, and you get 2 sets of lashes. I love lashes, although I haven't put any on lately. I've been, like, with all this negativity around, I've been dealing with some very bad migraines. So, you know, I gotta cut that out. So this is the 2 pair that I received. We're gonna open up these. These are developed in California, made in China. This is the style Adore. Those are actually kind of pretty. Those are kind of nice. So let's open. I love the fact that they come in these plastic containers. You just slide it open, and they are so pretty. They're actually very long and nice. I do have to clip these lashes all the time when I have to put them on, but they are just so pretty and so luxurious. They do have the black band, so if you're not into the white band, you know, it is what it is. They also now sell their lashes on Amazon. I will link all the information down below, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and click on the link and order your lashes. If you go to their website, it will automatically, if you decide to buy single packages, I believe they're like $9.95, and then they have like a toolkit that has like the little holder to put your lashes on. That's about $7 or $8, but again, that's not, just go to their website, and then from the website it'll take you to Amazon. Again, that's Adore. And then the second pair is called Gem. These are actually very pretty. Yeah, I haven't worn any lashes. Like right now, my eyes are really, really irritated, or I would put these on. I can feel them, like, pressure in my eyes. Oh, I hate it. I hate it, you guys. And then I can't take the medication because it'll, like, knock me out, and then it makes me really drowsy in the morning. So that's the other one. Those are called Gem. It's actually really pretty. I'm over here yawning in the background. Those are more like a crisscrossy type deal. Those are actually very pretty, and they feel so soft too, you guys. I love them. Let me see. Can I take one of these off? Oh, that was actually kind of easy to take off. So let me show you. Just don't mind my nails. I've not done them. So that's what that looks like. So it peeled off fairly easy. I love it. Actually very, very nice. So yeah, you get 2 pairs of lashes for $15 a month, and then, you know, 4 pairs at $25, and 6 pairs $35. But if you have like a lot of people in your house, or you have a lot of friends, you can all pitch in and get your, well, it'd be like $6 a pair. If you do the 6 for, like, say 6 for $35, the 6 for 6 is $36. One person can order them, and, you know, each can get your little pairs of lashes or whatever, mind you, because I think you can customize the different lashes. Or if you just want to try 1 pair out, again, Amazon for $9.95, you get 1. But these are actually very pretty. I love them. Then I can just store them in my drawer of lashes. Yes, I have a drawer of lashes. I want to thank everyone that participated in my little mini giveaway. That it was actually in my Macy's unboxing last month. I threw in a giveaway at the end of the video, and how that worked was I gave a word and you had to use it in the sentence in the comment section, and not everybody did that. So I was either kind of shocked that they didn't leave the word in the comment section, so when it was time to do a random comment picker, I did the random comment picker, and I actually had to do it 5 times because 4 people, and 1 person got picked twice, did not leave the word in the comment section. So I was like, you can't win that because there was 1 rule. I wasn't looking to see if you were subscribed to my channel. I wasn't even looking to see if you liked my video. The only thing I was looking for is if you watched my video to the end and commented with what I told you to comment with. Even if you didn't want to participate in the giveaway, if you would have won, you could have been like, you know, dear, I don't want the giveaway, give it to someone else, and I would have done the random comment picker again. But I had to do it 5 times, you guys, because 4 people, well, actually 3 people, because like I said, 1 got picked twice, didn't leave the word, and I was so disappointed, you guys. It was 2 of them were somebody I like really close to and I talked to, and they didn't leave the word. I was a little heartbroken because I was like, they didn't watch my video in its entirety. They probably just watched 5 minutes of it, or maybe 2 minutes of it, and didn't even know about the giveaway, because I didn't put giveaway in the title. I didn't put giveaway in the thumbnail. I wanted people that are watching my videos to win. And like I said, I wasn't looking for someone to subscribe, because FTC guidelines and YouTube guidelines state that you have to have the contest open to everyone. I just don't do international giveaways because right now I can't mail products out internationally. And I don't know what the rules are for international, and kind of don't know what the rules are in the States, but I know for one, you can't make them be subscribers. It has to be free to everyone. But yeah, so again, Embe lashes, monthly subscription, 2 pairs of lashes a month, $15. It comes in comes in this, and it comes in a nice little box, so they don't get crushed or broken, which is great. I love that. And then it comes in an envelope, which is great as well. So thank you all for being here with me. Like I said, I will be throwing in some more giveaways. I will be scattering them out throughout my videos, either in the middle of the video, maybe the end of the video, or somewhere in the video. I might just cut in and say, hey, beep beep, giveaway, we're doing a giveaway, and then tell you what the rules are. But you know, it is what it is. If you don't want to participate, that's cool too. You could just say, you know, I don't want to participate, or don't even do that in the comment section. Never mind. If you don't want to participate, that's fine. Just leave me a comment. But I'll work on that later. I'll think about what can be done if you don't want to participate in the giveaway. So like I said, I'll be throwing out these giveaways, you guys. So if you're just not interested in winning anything, that's cool too. But as long as you watch the entire video and let me know you did watch it. There's ways to tell in your analytics if someone is watching your video. Like right now, the only people watching my videos are people in the United States. So my Canadian friends, it's not registering that you're watching any of my videos. And my daughter in Japan, it doesn't look like she's watching either. Jocelyn. But again, Embe lashes, I'll reiterate on that. Embe lashes, 2 pairs of lashes per month for $15. And again, if the more lashes you get, the little cheaper it is. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I am truly grateful. I am back. You'll be seeing Chef Sandy, and you'll be seeing Goofy Sandy, and sometimes Serious Sandy. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I am truly, truly grateful. Thank you all for being here. Until next time, hasta laterz.